everyone, it's Scott with Xtreme Auto Repair. Welcome back. Thank you for following, and follow if you would like, and like us, like our videos. We have a 2018 Ford EcoBoost. The vehicle has no codes, but the customer is complaining of rattling in the engine when it starts up. And like I said, it had no codes. The old phasers on each bank, the engine is very clean. The man had kept up with his oil changes, but with no codes, what you could do is you take a 26 millimeter and you put it on the camshaft. When you get the cover off, like that, and try turning the cam, and the phaser should stay locked like that one. This one, try turning it, and it should stay locked. It should stay locked on the inside. You go to bank 1 on this side, and you try turning it, and you can see that phaser turns, which means it's not locked in. And the exhaust side, this phaser turns. And it's a common problem with these Fords. Right here, we have the new updated phaser. You can tell it by the solid front it has versus with the open front. And we're going to do a complete timing set on this job. These phaser bolts right here also need to be replaced. They're one-time use. And the crankshaft bolt on the very bottom is one-time use too. He does have a lot of oil dripping. We're going to see about addressing that too, get it all cleaned up. And thank you for watching.